There's a great shift going on out there in modern architectural taste. And that swale of change is literally coming right into port. There are 2.4 million sea containers out there going fallow. They're not going back home, and over 750,000 of those are literally in the United States, all along our edges. But more importantly, there's a new change that is not about the technology or recycling them and so forth. It's really about the culture of modernism. New modernism is here. It's here to stay. That is the true revolution. Just as the house is like clothing, we put on an outer skin to keep the rain, we put on an insulated skin to keep warm. What's amazing is that that's what a house is. If I wrap it in metal, use the wood inside, not outside, to decay, suddenly I have the cocoon I need. And that dry construction, that beautiful warmth of wood inside, beautiful different metals outside, going passive solar, using daylight, using all the modern pieces to be energy self-reliant and to be excitingly modern and open, that's our new architecture. The most glorious thing about this new shift of containers is that they are actually giving us a more affordable, faster IKEA version of a new landscape of architecture.
The ingenious use of 20th century sea container technologies is now being put to use building 21st century architecture. Literally snapping 4 corners of a dry welded box is as simple as stacking Legos when you were a kid. This is a game changer that yields higher performance, fast construction, and lower costs. In 2014, in the heart of Washington, D.C., near an urban metro stop, we sketched on a napkin, designed, built, and moved in 24 occupants in an astonishing 5 months. This beautiful modern building has 4 floors, 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms per floor, a wide-open kitchen, living, and dining space with warm wood interiors, floor-to-ceiling glass, all the modern amenities. The corrugated metal is now the preferred aesthetic. This wonderful building is now an icon in Washington, D.C.
This great new aesthetic isn't just limited to one container for one person. Imagine 4 containers together that create a great living room, dining room, and 3-bedroom condominium or townhouse configuration right in the middle of a city or on the edge of a city. So too, if I took 2 containers, I would actually have a 1-bedroom, large kitchen, dining, living room, full bath, all beautifully arrayed in the same way the original project was, and stacked together can be into 50 or 100 units of 1-bedroom apartments, both day and night, beautifully lit, and even every climate is not susceptible. It can be shaded, cooled, etc. Now we are seeing sea containers as the outer walls of factories, stretched with trusses, where we can actually manufacture. So the idea of we live, we work, we make, and we play is the new urban fabric. And whether it's 1 container or thousands of containers, it's the great new building block of the 21st century.
So contain yourself, because it's coming to a port near you very soon.
You know, Kelly, you would look so good in a sea container.
Oh, Travis, contain yourself.